Simano Adom 24 minutes to 7 Adom 106.3. Beautiful Monday morning. Day number 15 in the month of March 2021. Abuja, at the saying, and I pay Empire Nanya Bakupe. Yanko Mayan Trusting Check. Yetumia and Yetumia Yinaya Abribia. Amen. Chief Jerry Forson, Dwaso Nsem and Prince Yasinkonia de Brown. In case you just tuned in, Yadia Pomude Home Common at 12 so nothing we are. Happenings over the weekend, Yadiano so Ababrel. Cover the Home Common and Yagusui. Yenye muntu ho yenye muntu enso ento hoda yenche sa nyemai enso se oyare ya hwefie COVID no e was symptoms who said ya uti pile you know fever being in on TB am pampan on when you call the bees self quarantine if sick so yari ashefi na bra wo shefi no se be ye no doctor twetwe komo tren say we ni na yemie na won ma ho afutuo bomodi asa obetina fie ko se ho beto abra wo fie no so hwe se wo ne abusuafo nkae no mo dampa ba akoso mo to nsa didie Motrasi abomu abon komoni ade obeyi ni nyina afiri mu na sabra no mu no ensahohoro mask ne hye sanitizer ne ne ekeka ho no hwehwe obedi ni nyina so di ni nyina ya adwuma denwe ko basa ese utu anamon akwa yare sabia shaw mask no na udra sabia ho ma apomudi adwuma efo no wo mu hunu sani ayemi bia na be COVID ni bi no so mu kwan a on be fa so na fei omode ahwewo ye hye ne so wala na pay Ghana Health Service website new cases 282 new cases as na mi adom abafom new cases no ekofam active cases 3,908 active cases confirmed cases 87,762. In fact, 12 March ye twemu ya ye fiada no. And COVID-19 enya afe e Ghana ha. They recorded the first 2 cases. Enti afiechi na se 87,762 cases. And ya confirm Ghana ha. Odi to aman bi no ho a na say e be kan say ya ade anisa enso so yenwie ezan say make say nipa ahwere wo nkwa 685 nipa 685 na COVID ya de yi eku wo mo bigidi say bia wonnum kura no wonnum bia COVID eku no the fact say NC wo abusuamu no enche say ade no ani ho e wo ho nipa wo ho atom 83,169 83,169 enti yamamoden na yendi nhihye ni nyina so ahonidie ka ho na fe me ba en somewhere cross na o chie wieye se na job da bia me ya no ya de no beba na fe first big interview de no so atwa so na fe de bon krata na poso nantia no do at de Adom Sports page 1 en so betwa so na ahamachi mi be adwuma me hunu bibi ahamachi mi be adwuma me hunu bibi ka price ha ya We did some boss here, so what come capers ho and a payer di beya. Oh, the corner make an. Now, me jina, because it turns I can't. I mean, trying home about the video not to swam me. Me jina ho said that ye video. I'm a chummy bedroom. Me cover me the video in the bachelor. Me cover me the video in the bachelor. Well, joining you live on Facebook, Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook and on YouTube. Are you all five at Aroma? We are streaming live. Me tell me what about that fame ba. Getting a deal here the Atwa so production team list to work with for Joshua Tigo, Kofi Asan, DJ Awana. Are you all five? Aisha. Dwaso Nsem on Adom 106.3 FM. Me the Chief Jerry Forson here ba.
Otopia ni hwa to say enado obia so ntumi emmo wo hoban se nya wa wo beye empo samre yi pa ni hia se ye boye ma hoban efi bi biara ebetumi ama mo ayare enuti na ye di iron ni vitamin C and D aka ni do ho a eboabo omo hoban ma wonya ni pa nyani nro mu ma wonido
Nido, your love, their future.
Every I should say you cry to you mo aja to say eye.
Atiefo, ya the Nestle Nutrition Line jumadie sonko bremu. Nestle Nutrition Line ye Nestle Ghana Limited mua odeboa omanfo. Nestle Nutrition Line boa mahunu nuane pa ni mua hoɔden a edeboa ni pedua no. Afeye no mua nonko.
Yo midasera omaima me mamachi e mama chance de ba Nestle Nutrition Line edidi pa asitena pa ene apomden kyerɛkyerɛ so munua ba enima boaten ene kasai. Enani edi yen kyerɛkyerɛ a food allergies me kyerɛ nnuane a nipa binum nipadua abosuo no entimi ensososo na enye ntumo no eba na wieye na ene no ye de ani si kwan a betimi afa so nya ho bambo nya sapon ketenkete titru no ye gina ohawa betim di abre nipaku a eye emofra eso nyedi kan se abofra no nya abosumi nsia 6 months ya wa manofusuo kan nko anu a na esa wo hya ase di nnuane emu odu kakra eka ho eno we kakra jese wo di nnuane a efrafra eka ho ama no wo yesa nso eboa ama ho sa abofra no se aduane bi ho poti a wompe ana bibi wa aduane ingredient bi e wa aduane poti bi mu a wompa wo be ho ne ntem na afi no ohawa ka betimi edi aba no watimi mpo asia no kwan na wo de na kohunu doctor dia tosumienu so wa abofra bi wo ho na se wo hwe na aduane poti bi wo ho a de ni padua no enye ma no a hwe se so wo fia na wa abontene aduane a wodie no sa aduane poti no onni bie ne tosumiensa hwe se obekenkan food labels me kire labels nkrata dia femfam chansi nnuane etoma mofra no ho no ana entoa nnuane etoma mofra ho labels abo ho no to bo ase kenkan yi so wa abofra bi a wono aduane bi ompa na no wahunu enu achi no nnuane a ya hyehyɛ gu nkrata mu ahyehyɛ ne kama ya ekotoma ye mei eno nso no esese ne yie mu no wo ma ya lesidi ne ma wo nyina aguso kama wo lebo no so ya eno nso no hwɛ mu abehunu se we enye ma me ba no eno nyina wo kenkan ya ebebo apapa enai ne krakra no sa wa abofra aduane bi enye ma no a bomodina so obehwɛ se nipa na uja ne fie ma ne hwe no no obebo na mane so de ne koskun so ma kyerɛkyerɛfo no enhu na omu nso enhye no nso eso omu so hu se sa abofra nso ye oba na bema sa aduane we enya ade de ma no na ni agye ho ana se ye ma ni padua enti sankyerɛni bi a wodi aduane no a ɛda adie ni nyinaa no ene kwan na ɛsɛ omu fa so no omu si ano kwa no ɛsɛ sɛ ne nyinaa no ma wo hu na aboa amomatimi abɔ ne ho ban ɛsɛ so omu hu no aduane a oba no so ye oba na bema enye ma no eno pa ho a ensankyerɛni a ɛda adi ene kwan betimi afa so ho hyehyɛ nyinaa no ɛsɛ wodi tudwa mo mu hunu na bibisa ba mo hunu kwan betimi afa so na yaboa abofra no entem so hwe ene enenso ma me na wasese wanya mre pa no ati adwumadie yi so hia ensem mu enkyekye
sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so ati Adom FM ɛwɔ internet so no eni sisi a App Store ena makoyi etu bebo Adom online ɛwɔ unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba na fe wa download unya download app na be hu bibia ya bia you program dada ya ye go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia but homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio no click so ebe bia ba se de ohu both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The office with no click. So PC with Adom. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3.
Sisi e kwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download it. Unya download the app na. Behu bibi a ya bia program dada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohu ni. Both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi e kwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download it. Unya download the app na. Behu bibi a ya bia program dada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohu ni. Both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM. Top.
Sisi e kwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download it. Unya download the app na. Behu bibi a ya bia program dada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohu ni. Both multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no wa click so. Iti fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The obeti ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi e kwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM e wo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store e na makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online e wo. Unya bo Adom online pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa download it. Unya download the app na. Behu bibi a ya bia program dada ya egu na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohu ni. both some multimedia stations in now. Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with you no click so. It's fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pay. The opposite ani.
Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Sisi ekwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi aya ye bia program tada aya ye go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre aya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. No wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohuni bo se multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM. The opposite with no wa click so iti fancy opposite with Adom FM. O click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Sisi ekwanfo for bitimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Itu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebe yi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi aya ye bia program tada aya ye go na obetimi kwakuti ni na news bebre aya trotro to na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho. Obehu listen live radio. Na wa click so. Ebe bia ba se de ohuni. Bo se multimedia stations ni now Adom FM, Asempa FM.
God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, Chisa, what's in it say? Hey, I'm more baby. Happenings over the weekend on Adom 106.3 FM. Dwaso Nsem, Edruha. Joining me on Facebook. Now, cheer the course so, you know, a home phony, a home videos. Yeah, the ninja bro happenings over the weekend. Yeah. Well, sir, me sure see ya. No, abasobode and I'm a dema praise for more kaneshi. Oma to anamobia. I said nipa papa. Some say nipa bon for dosun. Na ene rante a wo mu kura moto ni ade anyama mu nyira no me nipa bon for. Na so bu hon ma moto no boni nti e na wotwe. Na kaneshi approach for operation one more aye motorbikes are your line say motorbike won obi okura moto no enso nkata bia ne ho wama tu safo yi esosa ino no be 60 motorbikes motorcycle mako adiosia your line say and a post for chair. It is a ocean of Facebook. Motorbikes no and yasise gu hono. Motorbikes and yasise gu hono. we anamo Kanesha approach for etu nipa bonsam etu atese join me on Facebook motorbike sine negu hono ohunu bike ni bi pa tum say number plate bo ho enso ye fake number plate bo ho enso ye fake join me on Facebook
Jim FM.
We Kaneshi nkwa de ni o. Say approach from kan no so etu sa na mo ya. Ngam gidi se krombete kakra. Krombete. Nka so mo obi ntwi motorbike. Lenso se wo ntwi bike na ho nkrata sa mo nya na wo di bone kura ka ho de. Adabraka. Baby.
Jim FM.
Enti bikes no enegu ho no. Why me free we so na fe me nkomanim. Minko the South Municipal Assembly. Hon susu nipa bonsamwa bia. Nipa miense bia esusu se wome ye Cameroon. Ena yache womo. Bani men womu di. Yache womo emofra mako enkono. Emofra mako 9. Ena ya park womo agu kam. Esu se womo kwa kotom. Child trafficking. Senya ton kra womo kwa adwuma. Emofra no womo gu ka ne butu no. Emofra no womo gu ka ne butu no. Join me on Facebook. Emofra no womo gu ka ne butu no. Amanfoma.
Jim FM.
Emofra womo mfie miensa na wakofa obi ba. Fie miensa. Na wadede no mo anu ahyekem. Wadede no mo anu ahyekem. Efimfie miensa kopim fie dumienu. Emofra no ena wamugu ka ne butu no. Mofra no wamugu ka ne butu no. Adom for wo sa mofra yi anadwo beye nondu. Ena praise near dispatch rider. Why na adwuma ne na ma bom pempen na wo hunu kai sa mofra no gumi da bi. Mofra bebre de enye nipa ba koma. Enti wo gina car no. Bisa nkofo yi atoto wo ma no na say taxi no a wo mu team registration number BA 1298X. Na nanimu chire kokro bite. Ya parking kurai bigu back seat. Ene bi so egu boot. Amofra no no. Ene omugu kan mu no. Na ahano na se miduru ha. Awofo yemma yeni nko mofra no ho. Yemma yeni enko mofra no ho. For 3 years. Jane so nante basa. But boni ni bi so ababo fra no anikam. Ma wani nko mofra no. Enti mofra 9 no omu nyina yakase omu approach for nsem. Mimi nda no bi fra me say papa pani na ofra me. Say ne baba yo a one Nigeria ni bi enefa yefunu na Nigeria ni no e de abofra no adwane nti papa pani mu ofra me na nisuo na me ha ne ha osu e de abofra no adwane wakɔ be fie abranche ne timu no branche na pack ne niema nyina ayi gudu wakɔ amofra mako 9 oba Facebook abehunu that mako yote anim ho she blue yi dia ona obe 4 years and 5 years 24 wom we say be 10 years to 12 years obenya
Adom FM.
What yankoyanim arawusamo esi wo apam arawusamo esi wo apam bilisa yi wanim sam ye kasa mfra be ye dunum de ensuo fa wo mo na boyina nananom ahemfo a wo mo ewo Gomwa a Champem traditional area. Which Gomwa Champem nananoma trankonya. Wama ya mamre. E de chopa slon kokra na de ama wama bosum. Na nana hima nana esel botwe a otoso miensa. Eno ne nananom edi nkita ho chese nananom be hia sa ne mai. Enti nasa ye kan nantwie kese pa baako ena odwan a otuadua mako miensa nkokɔ mako edunum bayire mako aduasa miensa 33 tubers of yam ena 3 cartons of snap ena omde koye sa amamre yi ediza wo hwɛ video no a amamre no ena ekoso no ena ekoso no Kofi Agye de ho amane ebo enu aprem to breka se what the brain na we so ena sumankwa hene Gomwa Champem Traditional Council Nana Okofo anan ode kokobo ema emofra wo maba yensurohwe Bianca Kane Penifo Kura Suro ho ene mofra di agro ho wo hwe ba bia sa awre hu semisi ya nananom mpom sensuo na no ho no yenko ho eso ho na mofra wo mkobo jams aso din no ma wo futi fio I mean we can blame the parents sometimes but mofra no ma ba no Enti amamre koso ena yehwa no behunu se odwan ne betwa baako na fei ye de kɔ nsuo ni mu a na mogya no agu nsuo ni mu na asanso de aba na wo mo de akɔ nsuo ni mu na mogya no agu na asanso de aba wo hwɛ nananom mpanifo a wo mo nyina ahyia mu nsuo na no ho ehwɛ se sa amamre no ebetimi akɔso video no at the Facebook
Adom FM.
Well, asema di hono emawreho A school for Wamo Ewo in Zaman Kwanta MA Primary and Junior High School. Say ye wa maya ye se adesua hu hia yen a. Niema bi se ye se ehwe ni yi. Say ye wa maya ye se adesua hu hia yen pa. Niema bi se ye se ehwe ni yi. Classroom am fry wa musua de no. Table ne akonya mbofra na transfer bi ni ho video ni enti mbofra na bi tete fam ebi tete mpoma no ano window no ano ɛna desk bɛyɛ enum bi a wɔ classroom hɔ no wɔn a wɔn tia yɛ yie no wɔn tete so dodoɔ no a na wɔn tete window no ano a wɔn sua deɛ join me Facebook amafra na wɔn tete so classroom adesua akɔ so no no hwɛ bi amafra ne tete ebi te fam ebi te mpoma no window ano Nzema Nkwanta MA Primary and Junior High School Bibiani Anya so Bakwai Municipality ehoni
Jim FM.
Classroom ba ko so ni baby e bitete fam na wo ma munya desk transfer no so apata no mo ti ase yi eni apata eno wo ti ase I mean just imagine join me on Facebook any na baby o ti se nsuo ta na nya pon no
Adom FM.
Ana wo aduchu mo adwumaye wo adwumaye Ghana Yakachi future MPs, future ministers, future doctors, future lawyers, future journalists. Wama chasi ni. She. Board wama chwe so ade fe. She. Just imagine. You. Oh, you're going in.
Jim FM.
Adom FM.
Ma kopie Konongo Odumase Kumase kwan so. Akwanhyiasi. Ewo so. Na amania yensa kan se wo hwe Facebook a VIP bus bi ene one truck articulator bi omo kodi mu sa kwanhia yi mu na wo mche se nantwie na wo mu twa kwan nim am ko fa sa kwanhia yi ba nantwie video nini VIP bus na nimu nyina sai tipa truck no so na ne to akodi baabi dem tena so kwa to hwe fam ho a na nsuo to ena akofa sa akwanhia ye di aba akofa sa akwanhia ye di aba na wa hwe traffic a esi kwan no so traffic a esi Kumase kwantempon no so anya sam ketwa enti VIP bus nini ana truck no so na esi ho no enie nantwio Ghana ela me enti nantwio eniwura ene eja wo mo aso wo nante ya nantwio ni niwura eniwura enti video ni na Facebook AC7436 VIP no number no na je se ne aka na nimu aya Yankopɔn Adom a obi amfiri mu. Obi amfiri mu. Enti ujai wo nantwie sɛ wɔnkɔ fa saa kwanhyia yi mmra saa nipa no dan ne sɛ yɛde yawo dan ne sɛ yɛde yawo highway a ɛso yɛ busy say the system
Jim FM.
Now for me from call a wutu of our call district court. Now you tell me yet that nipa bi o ma yo mo ho asojafo. Eko tutu o mo ni approach for pepe ma emu mienu de ensa ka o mo. Ba kwa ne ho so ye sojani. Na court ashe se sa nipa mienu no yɛmfo mo nkosie na wotwe mienu yɛmfo mo nkosie Facebook a ne ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ awuto of Akwa District Court nipa mienu no wɔn mfoni nie wɔn guwe etua wɔn de kodi bɔne ena da ho no pump action pow ento amfoni ena gu ho no okay. What mami for we chat one. I'm for we chat one. I'm a team me bedjuma. Me hu bibi o cap price hey ya. Nani abekin kan budget. Ye hunu sanitation and pollution levy. Na se emran be ye djuma wo Ghana ha ese sane me bi se ye hye ne so amachi me ba me free allowed ho me si fam me say what is this bola pa ni abehwe gu kwan so bola pa so me kan wa twa mo ala ka price wa na pay wo hunu bola pa ani abehwe gu kwan so satan na me di speed nti matwam na so na ma akotwa ne ho and I'm a circle around some pie caprais honam besi kwan mu bio. Ba baby and maybe almost said Jaton toast near the end. Number parke and I'm yes video. Join me on Facebook video in that Facebook no. Bola pa bola. And I would pa kwa be share bu kwan ho. Na cars no fa so na aba pete kwan no so nyina. Bola she. A point at say leading to the Central Business District. Na yabe share ball eguso. Kwa inu sunyina na ye ball ano. Dani mo afraid any J'ai fini. being told you the 12 so. Yeah, the 12 so. Stay with us on Facebook. Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook. And now you're making kind budget on about say chairman Sabunsu. A day budget a Nsem Ekwadan in my for. In fact, original articles 179 and article 180 of the 1992 Constitution. And on the budget Nsem Ekwatu Jana and some no na bebre. But you say what say Abai introduce new taxes and levies. It is me de wo famwa 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yeah, with the COVID-19 health levy. And I say road toll increases. Gaming tax. And you want sanitation and pollution levy. And you find the baller tax, no? And I say 1% increase in NHIL. You have 1% increase in VAT flat rate. Excellent increase. Additional burden on the motorists and food prices. I don't know, Penino Bay, Menini Hunkomo. And you want financial sector cleanup levy 5%. Now, the pay Brazilian commodity to fam. Now, I say, Yaja Bishia Kakra. Ora kwakwa gyan yameche obi a wonim de pa fa no to ho or a tax expert meneno entwetwe enkomo ora nyame to teme nka me wakwaba mejo so na mechia watiefo jo so mpato sapon bokode janadom ede nyame ase na to answer na about say me bobo tax ahodo ne levies a epie mu ewo budget no emu from where you sit as a tax expert. And in the current situation, what's your budget? No, were you expecting something like this? Right, Amiche?
I'm not one way because social 2020 COVID, no, the transfer the bar or minus so financial minister for parliamentary affairs, you know, or them say, baby, because them say a year abandoned the say or the 12. Everybody, now so the Yakodjano, you know, most of the it's me, Sikana, or man, it's me, a Gina ye, because I might be now, and I just say, and me, I'm faster, and she say, we are ma, at the economy, no, every from cry, I will cry, COVID needs to war, it means dance for a bit dimly, and Anna, that must be a punch for council, and you know, I never.
Okay. Mami bi say we answer na fe yafa taxes no any levies no mako na fe majwa adwenkyere ewo ho. The kai pass ban 2015 yakọ 2016 about no mu no ohebo say obe moving from taxation to production. Ene yaduru ho ana so entimi anya adwuma.
Yeduru ho. Say untimi so emfa so bo ne bebre emmo aban efi say sa ya popo mu no ama bia hye ne na montu bia asesa entino entimi nye fair assessment ewo abane post ewo sa kwan so se ko ba say bia nka covid am ebumu a e de nka yebetimi pa edi ehun komoye but covid na beye bia ama Abani Benya Asibia Cassette, the BBC, and full assessment now.
Now, so what do you know about COVID? And now, so genuinely, who should I say, did you hand man Kabani bet me? Aye,
on the COVID nearby, and or might be a punch with them so. Anna COVID no so ebeha a judge, any Numa, NTMA, or mine no sit at them. Apekakra enti no bibia yesi enkwati adwome no ane aha yenkomna o man hye nya na ejina so
COVID-19 health levy me nim say obetimi aboa me ne matiefo nkyeremu kakra kwa saban ne by say COVID-19 say ye kan anya nsusuaso enti saatwo ne ye ba bekyete na afei ye de abo COVID-19 no ho ebra sanantiase ne tie Right, I'm saying.
And Tiasia, who are honest, Abana to the desk can be a process is saying, probably the Busua Yako. I say now, Pattern, the best Ghana for, and what he probably be my own test, facility, laboratory facilities, I want to. And to me, and stand this, the BC Mustaba, and Nabano, yes, I still laboratory, now augmented your laboratory, I want to. And Oja, a banner person or the Certica Wino, a infrastructure project via or China Bucrano, they are left to be saved the baby. I am first amount a bar, yeah, who am caught be a baby. I was said, we know, yes, and so on.
I see. But Toba come to Yapa a road to. As you see, you see a betum. Because right, I'm saying, a quiet one Ghana. Any question I find it here, your Jessica was so. Your Jessica, it means I'm going to do trouble to me 50 pesos and now 1 city dear chair. I am a and so in this case, Yabatum.
So says Osha, Albano, 6 or 7 for 2 years. Quite be out of us or the Benya, Sicano, I know fast. Now, one, I see we and since I'm so at the Bema. About man Pifuano, Yaya 2 of my. There was also a 2 of mine a day by pounds of the Pascal beginning in the revenue. Also, one, digitization, broaden the task list. And I said, okay, energy sector levy, ESLA, 2017-2018, and run up fuel prices, air cost run. I ban it to Sakra. They say, or start the 5.7 labor, or the very who are. Levy on the banking sector so and what can want them. Gaming policy. Our mobile or say I might move 300 million Ghana a year. And you know mobile channel or more to me and needs to hold the snap that's the kind of free and Satan. And abandon to acquire all parts of the discovery now. Or also for a year or COVID-19 support. Now say my Hakatano, Jay Hakatano, a Honor the Abanicas of Benin, or set tax rebates for hotel industries, tourism industries, restaurants. On says for COVID-19 by Emma and Slasher, Echo from Emma is the restaurant big various hotels, patronage, and Costco. And you know, abandon so fast, so they avoid that sector, no? And tax stamp, they say was the suspension of it, and also when they work at vehicle income tax, or they say, commercial vehicles in India. And also waiver at the amount companies 2020 or monthly and some tax obligation, penalty, any interest, or waive penalty in interest, no. Now companies in January any agreement, payment agreement by September this year, and that's what we are. We now abandon the find ways to so be or how never Ghana for today. Then so especially me, but the abandon a 2 hour tomorrow. And since I'm so airport directly, no, anybody are all you know maybe a free or man, no impact no at the same because I wish non for companies car board cost. So car fuel the echo they say a normal baby and town because what the Esla you're saying increasing by 5.7%. I don't know air cost fuel so and a 10% to be air cost price per liter and also for increase fuel price. Vehicle income tax also or suspended. Yeah, 2 months so. Yeah. It was a social and normal baby and air cost into transportation and fuel as well. But could be an a year free or minus 2 or minimum. And you know, Albano and so has said, the me generate, you know, any relief I'm a day man, may balance here or how about pan at the call Timamufuo.
And she said, Oraniam says, I'm to Asia, Esla incrementing, and I'm a cash into Adia Aquasoro. And then, and also Mama Adriani Bois Aquasoro because in Yanni Cass and Yadi Faba.
Yes. Oh, Ocean budget now. Abano, for Quambia, so between yes, Cadia support to economy. No, na, no credit Ghana for. I want to say the Catrabeba, Ebeba. You bring out the impact, no, Ebeba is so. By yen to so can say be a more minor, you go, man, more man, say. And you know, as a man, Bapano, and yet the Paris say be a beco say, but yes, some.
All right, sir, financial sector cleanup levy. And yet, extra bedding. And your bank see the Baba saying, I mean, bank charges and your cake home and for bedding and young customers. No,
also, when was say profit before tax.
Profit before tax. I know what you're saying.
We are on first one, Benyano. Yet, but they say, Ansana Bank, the Microbit, 25%. Corporate income tax, no, the rate, no. This rate, no, are increasing all the buses say, no. On that charge, no answer. And so now, on my TFC, or more fast, no, my conya or more net taxable income. And so now, no, my coach, a tone or so. Bank, no, everything pass it on to consumers. There are more person maintain you or more profit. And now we see some profit or pass the charges with the Amaganians.
And also Sonia de Beboy.
And not the Beboy. But on Saturday, we are buying so the air and say, oh, Mom, Musica, care, mono, microfinance, any adeno, or the Omubenyo Musica, or to almost not business more. And to now,
I'm saying a hundred crimes of 5.5 billion and Omusiki just for the fund management companies, you know.
What you're saying?
Me say 5.5 billion according to the budget, you know, 5.5 billion. And omode ba be sector ho, sika e de be ma fund management companies. Na omode customers.
Yes.
Yeah.
I say osha omano economy no ejeja. Yes, abani e fa kwan bia so nya sika dia kushin kakra. Said dia yebetimi akunko ho akopim say yare wu ebetwam.
Me how about leakages at 20 day yetua. And so say you be say disika no adwuma. For instance, one of the levies I know how air sanitation and pollution levy. Bola many yen nkran ha and so beje ho levy. There was a promise say Accra is going to be the cleanest city. And then you and so beje ho to. How do we block all the leakages. Widening our tax net there, but the leakages once how do we block it?
Yo, I would say, Adibakwa can say, yeah, because digitization, man, no cremony. The no workers at the open up a GRA website. Tell person download this past returns form. Ultimate download. They have a challenge with it. And this is a form or the work of Yasika. Dear Tina and Nemrema Yakoya Nimi. Send me a company not to send me Chiametwo, me Vata, me fill me form online. I pay online. I have my pen. I use it to pay. It's reflecting the government system already. I don't need to. I hear some Nantiaba office one about now. Say Yamanipa will be Biamuna Sikech as a D system one. And then a binu bebrino. Anna baby or Kayan so or say they say no move to me a proma of companies. GRA no cremo or Maya woman. Company beat me here Juma for more than 4 years planning all the two or mother. And by the time I about the two or Mukrano, next is because I'm Cabana on Nedria Juman Wunya. And you know, when you acquire a first or now acquire for 30 years, the money here easy. Taxpayer no, a feeling easy of Gokutia. Be of course, you bet your office have been free GRA office and money. no me propo no e me giri bi nse no ho
unam kroma urana membrem kakra unam kroma obi babra ne kura bag ene ode gigi sika income tax ode gigi sika gum enamre imo okura bag ene wo gigi sika gum enti sika no se ode ni nyina ba koduru office ho so mfa ni nyina koduru office ho obi anim enso se bia ye wo momo bi kura ho na wo faso atua ene etietia sika nkodi wo bia ho
on se emra omo ye se Ghana for register for tina Ghana doesn't register any power over 2 million. Me ma come say enya tin na ye be register Ghana for nya be ma Ghana enya mobilize sika.
I see.
And abroading the taxlet. Well, yamma kwa fa sutua epo enya easy. Na me bojo ni na me wo me market wo no. Mobile money na me DTA, me wo me tin number. I reflect it. I come here. Officer ne ba me ho a eno no wo ba for inspection. What you were you? Na me dey atwe no. Me wo message e kire se betua. Me mfa sika nkoma no na ibu receipt le kuta no kra no. Wa anko office na wo discover for 2 fie. Na bi o dey nsa kobomu. Na afi na kwa carry forward. Ya so otimanfo ne ka ho. Uju to buta obi tia to na wo ji receipt na no say jade ato ho an. Wo disikana ma nipa na to ji receipt no wanye. Wo put card mu na kwasa na receipt rather na one year ye tia kra de na ye de ye. Yensu ye di afabi aban hia sika. Yensu asoman yenye ya sade. Se wo to na ese wutua ana ese one education course na so bi sika oma ya mo mani hu oma fo ni hu do di sika no ba bia emra no ade mo akowie ente ya no bebre ya ye theater so ya na egusutua nipa kakra na ya se director ya na egusutua because wo no employer ne bete ba carpenter ni ene wa so la o tin carpentry shop or ye adwuma messi ni awo kwa ye adwuma omu nyina mu ntia to efficiency amfa we mu nyina mamu hairdressers omu ntia the artisan tisi amfa je bi anto kwa mu say even say 2 cedi no be tia no every quarter awo ye be ye ni easy bi ama wo mu mobile money payment easy ne watia me jiri sanko man nyetem bia na be introduce new taxes
Asem right to me no asena ye fancy ha me that's pa ora kwaku agye nyameche tax expert and me no atwetwe enkomo no Adom 106.3 for short time no asima no aka aduonunum 25 minutes to 7. Some of your WhatsApp, Facebook comments coming through. Okay. Where's I say good morning. I think that Ghana has an issue with taxes, and the earlier we dealt with it, the better, because there are so many leakages, as you rightly put the question. I said, friend, and I say, or the free chuma kwangoma. And ode no ede buy lots of your comments coming through Benjamin Afia Kenkan Nina ede amount and Tishanin from now me did say over the weekend one who screenshot of textbook bia and then on social media na me pebina makan aha okay. Okay, Bakuye, Golden History of Ghana. Golden History of Ghana. And Baku so an English textbook. Na and some no acquire who make us say the Honorable former Deputy Education Minister, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, Sir Kwan Bia, so as I said, the Minister of Education about Parliament. Now, Obechrim, Minia Adam Agbanan, so I'm making a Facebook comment. And the comment is here. I have spoken to the publishers of that of a book. I gave them conditions and timelines. I have indicated to them that if they fail to meet the conditions and timelines, they will start burning the books from tomorrow. I'm leading a team of young Ewes and other discerning Ghanaians from other ethnic backgrounds to burn the books. You cannot sit and watch these tribal bigots push the insane narratives about Ewes. I will keep you posted. Hashtag burn the books. Hashtag Ewes deserve respect. But there's an apology from Cancer Publications. There's an apology from Cancer Publications. Apology no. There's an apology from Cancer Publications. FSA textbook here. Make and it reads, Bedun Cancer Limited, a wholly Ghanaian-owned publishing house, has been in operation for 24 years. Within these years, we have produced educational materials covering all subject areas, which has been relied upon for both academic and research work. We wish to bring the following to the attention of Ghanaians. Following the introduction of the new curriculum by NACA, we submitted a textbook assessment application for approval for our book, History of Ghana, in January last year. We received a response to our application from NACA on 25th September. Reference NACA/J14. The NACA raised concern with portions of the book, even though they informed us that the book had satisfied most of the technical and content requirements. They, however, told us to work on certain aspects of the book further in order for it to meet the expectations of the new curriculum. An attached comment which accompanied the report detailed areas of particular concern which we are still in the process of complying with. Unfortunately, whilst undergoing the review, a limited quantity of the unpublished draft found its way into the market. We have seen certain snapshots on social media, which has generated justified public uproar due to its offensive tone. Though it is not a deliberate attempt to berate such a huge section of our society, we wish to unreservedly apologize for the slip. Our brand stands for national unity, and we currently employ workers who originate from all parts of the country. How those few copies found its way to the market is something we are still investigating, and we will make the results of our investigations public when we are done. In the meantime, we have called up all copies in circulation with immediate effect, since they have not yet met the final approval threshold. Once again, ours is a brand that values national unity, and we have epitomized it for 24 years in our existence as a brand. We apologize to all those affected, and we wish to assure all Ghanaians that such a thing will never happen again. God bless our homeland, Ghana. Signed, Mark Osei. Enti kata ifi Cancer Publications honum abana fe makin kemu edi amauno. Having who can kind portion of the textbook, may have a honking kind. And I pay, sir, whoop the very best way to start your day. A Nescafe sweet and creamy. Nescafe sweet and creamy. One Ghana city pack. Do you love the tantalizing aroma of coffee? All you need is 1 Ghana cedi and a cup of hot water as part of an awesome breakfast. With only 1 Ghana cedi, try the new Nescafe Sweet and Creamy. Mild coffee that is sweet and creamy. No trending. Oh dear, try. Madam, I'll see later. Breakfast just got better with Nescafe Sweet and Creamy. It all starts with a Nescafe. To some more of your comments, Facebook comments, nothing. Lord Mensa Gaba, as a Mother Ghana, have started a new week. And the usual news till weekend. Lord Mensa, the Adema Facebook. No. Nana Kwesi, good morning to you. Abraham Amate, I say that day I saw it. Pastor Mario, I say Shafam, from Hodie, ball and kwa Shafam. Lexus Awu. I said, but the chief is in the town. Chief Jerry Forson, okay. Rachel, baby dear. I say, and Ghanaians will still blame the government for nothing. Cleanliness leads to godliness. Rachel, they are my Facebook. No. Matthew, comment no aha. Beatrice McCarthy, this is Ghana for you. Anaki Daniel. I say, but see, you haven't seen anything yet. Come to Pong. I don't know. There's a million who should ball and not seven or can. I know today. Why did the bunker turn up also? And it also CBG, we stand with you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready? Agbeve Herbal Center, where it's a fee. Latex form your partner for life. In your career, Daruma. Kofi?
CJ.
Boko. Kofi has an attrance. What's that matter? As in Brasa, are you serious, Anna? Did I come? If you are going to no attrance, the one crack and not pursue. You know what you're going to fantastic. Fantastic. Kata no swaba.
Na do. You be fine.
Kata no swaba.
Na say we can nuko boko ma.
Oh, we can nuko ye.
Good.
Ekoye pa.
Yes.
Ekoye pa. Ekoye.
Brain ya bre but ya ba.
Ya de kwa kwaji ahome ya ba.
O kwaji ahome. Na ya kwa ahome na kwaji abe. Hey. Now you can know how to one for you. Oh, one man is happening.
I would say. Oh, and I'm fortunate him to go and will be him. And I'm bedroom and him. And that's another bedroom. That's all I need. And I'm bedroom and him. All right, and I'll pass Soko. What's it? And I'll pass Soko. Oh, yeah, idea. Now, yes,
Wabre. Ana hona mi oya.
Oh,
when emergency.
Say ko.
When emergency.
Bekebu. Come on in there.
CJ.
Double Kratano.
Good. Anti Lucra Daily Graphic. I mean, Semu
Yanko.
Na front page now. Difficult times ahead, but embrace 2021 budget. Economy has been a futu base. Emre da yenim no, emre din pa. Oshe budget ya be ya. Nanso ye nyina se na COVID ne be ye o man no ne ade ne nti. Ye nyina yen ka yentuma pa no na ye moa na bibia enye kama. Afesu ade bi ha din pa se ye nuanum omo kopo no mo deep seas no. What is a bibi the piracy? What is so watch that movie no? The piracy of the Caribbean was at the end. Akwamuka for mo woposo. Mo woposo. Yes, sister esifa edi nkrofonya woposo no. Se mpenifo anhwe na se wanka won toma mmoa no na wanso saade na no a. Ebe kakra no, pala yenya bi nwe. Na ye nyama ye crack on nkrofo no season no. And so ebe o man so ka.
Also some time ago na me ye treat psycho issues. All these issues came up. Yeah.
Eba enti no ye ma me hawa kumsin wa be die.
Oh, adwuma ye. Adwuma ye.
Ono so ne adin nti ono sa nkrofo no omoni so odin no oni ombehia na bibia be kama. Enti Daily Graphic no unya bia stories ewo hono no. Ghanaian Times na Sabre Mesaka no o see police impound 60 motorcycles in Accra. Story one of the stories about weekend here oboboso na okopie mu Kaneshi police for Akachia. Motorcycles back be 60 or macheche with fake DV numbers. Etweguo or machi omo no modi di bone e okrom hanom no. Police for na wotwe wie ye monsem omo eduma o maye no.
O maye eduma. Cause it's fa pictures ne to so
eduma police
motorbikes na police for chi ye no. And that Facebook no Kaneshi police for Wama yade pa
moto phone card chese e bi wo no boss wa ben kra na je chese fake numbers no kra no boss wa ben ni
Kofi
wa be
no ho na side mirror prom okọ onyina hompo
no so man is left no so no
away
no ko pram no ko enkankan omo side mirror na ejina o chime no do boss we buru na ne komu
sense ho no ja
hoko enti
no ko
Kaneshi police for
Wama yade the motorbikes no mchi ya na that Facebook no
Kama ntino
60 motorbikes.
Good.
And sum hono. Facebook join me. Facebook. Motorbikes no Ghanaian Times e bo ho amane no. And egu hono. Approach for no mayade. Wa mayade.
Na CJ. Asofo bi. O hwe Ghanaian Times ni ma no ma. Yesusu se we bu enkrofo bako enan.
We bu wom. So batwi wom adi.
We twa wom adi. Yesusu se top money. Nti yese 16,059 Ghana cedis. 16,059 Ghana cedis. Na sofo no edin Ghanaian Times ediaba eye Joshua Asante na odahanom brante nyonyamfo kama.
Sofo ni din no.
Yesusu se we bu nkrofo bi
na kwan be no fa so bu won
kwan of us bu won de wa onya krata ni bia na wakokan se be ya wo soso no yentumi mfa sa ni mbu ya kan krata ni musem nyina obesi da to Ghanaian Times kan ni na ana ba ku bi so ha no page 3 no o see woman 64 arrested over machete attack yes or the enkranti sa story ye no weekend wi maami a wo susu se ono de kranti twa ni kunu owie ya so ne ba esusu se okunu
oye pepe
second hanuma Western region asem na yeken intino police for ensa ekura ni mu a ya tutu na asem mu ya hwese na adwen mu ya bibia ya kamade a na emra ne nedi ebiso ana ahonhom
oba no atwese kan won ne kunu so onsa na no na ye ka saa spousal abuse ne ye ka hwin
sa pepe
onsa mema ne bi so bre
mema ne bi so bre se bi o so hye so a ni na no kasakire onsa as adia be ma obi adi bone prekope no enfiti dakwa na ba o ade a hye obi akoma so ache waye sa
enti dakwa ka no atam acid no atam sekan no atam
microphone so suro se bia anya se osuro bia bi wa afere se be ma se me yire bo me na me koka kire obi I mean how
no so we be ma na wo yire bo a obetimi akọ report obeka ni saying no me besa me jadwen kire
mami ka mako dofsu da won na me man be bre ntia omokọ ho no mu a oka asem na ma witness bi da be ma kentin kapa wa ba oka asem na ayi dofsu fo ne ma ni bi sire baba
what can any blessem
what can any blessem no mo sire mo hwe papa na
adena papa ne say
ne yire picture aba say oba ni oba we na ebo no a
oba no bu no ofie
gwa no tina ne ti so bobo na so rough
na me huna mane
na nkrofo no omoti adaka ni mo no mo che no ni mu sem na bi sire enti bebre na anko enti ehye ne so enti bia nadafo ba ku bia one ne kasa oh we to me asem we ha me oka na onya futu a na afede we jai enti ode ne sa na ejai na afede boom da kope na ati obi ani so
wo ye be ma na wo tie me membo wudin bia na wo kwasa ati bia nim wo yere bo enfere ho na nyina yemfa nya adesua 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 216562 aya eba ne saying adenti ne bia on be sa won so do nsa be kan oba no ye nyina yemfa nya adesua wo ye be ma na wo yere ni pepam wo boot te won ta de nyina na wo gina ho hwe no a frɛ na share your experience with us 0302216561 216562 Kofi Penifo abuba bi se be ma pie behem to abonten a niema mienu anya sutra na ye nkwan de
yesterday.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, First CJ.
At the sign
Adom na onso
Nami Adom.
Hey, and ye nebe die mia midi mo.
Wa udie mo a.
Me do nyami.
Oba ne bo.
Hey. So me mu. Chuchamin left, right, middle, center. Na obi wie no na wasa na chete me sini nyama nyane bia ne ma no behwem
meba usi oba ne nyama
usini nyama ne boa no ama ne busuafo kra prem kwadonto
oba na busuafo no fra kwadonto.
Yes, meanwhile nyame nyemeduma. At the end of the day, I take care of my wife, the children. I do everything.
Oh no, you're more saying.
But you're on too.
My wife for how long?
But you're quite a 7th year.
More come 7th year.
Exactly, sir.
And for all 7 years, I want to know at no near or they one on wabo.
Hey, I think after the marriage, you know, and it started in the 2nd year. I said, Minini or Betiame, Namen, Sansa I am very weak. Nanyana, who co-funded snakes at say, I have witnessed it severally, so I've decided, say, Siciano, Mensu, Mefano wondering.
What the Basham?
May the Basham,
what could also acquire complaint and I report?
Yeah, acquire reports.
No, Mosero.
No, Mosremi. It is happening not once, not twice, every time. So if you stop human women violence or what have you, it is not only about women. If the opportunity is given to men to voice out exactly what they want, I think this morning it will be very, very awful.
Oda wo de do oba no ntina ya won pese o do nsa be kan no.
I can equal if you see my stature. Let me bring no papa.
And come in, baby, sir. Say, oh yeah, crocro dia or no someone saying one.
Me so was saying no severally. I'm even thicker than her. You see, sometimes I even automatically not share TV. I'll be cooking for her. Across the night, what did you hear? I'll come for it. I'll go wash everything for her. I don't allow you to do anything. The only thing, focus on your work. Even the children, can you imagine? I even pass for the children to go to school. And you see, this Dwaso issue we're talking about, we have to lay more emphasis there as to whether they treat men like the way they treat women. Because it's like, it's intense. But on the contrary, you see, and men can't find to know. But you see, out of frustration and all that, I'm not sincerely funny. Yes, so I equally have a child outside our marriage, of which no one knows. No, now, Mr. CJ, now for 7 years, Obama begged me, Mr. You pants, your bra, I cook for you, you need the gamma, who can't crowd the good man.
Oh, you know, you bang.
But you more bank.
Oh, you more bank. Okay. How many years? I want to know.
But you see, I know, 31.
Okay, 31. But now you're not so design.
But you see, I know, 27 or 28.
But that's why. But Jinaso, pesa me no kasa we kire ho Jinaso mame. Jinaso.
Oh, Dwaso Nsem na American. Kan wa se ma kire mo se o yire bo
ono oba ne nete oso oba ne bibia ono no osi free ne ehye na ase akosi ne ehye no soro ono osi bibia ne aduane hohoro oba ne ka
we na bede
hey
we na bede
hey
Dwaso akokan wa se ma kire mo na ye hwe wo tenten a ogina se wo yire picture wo phone so ye se ai fama me na me hwe ye hwe wa se na wo be
ma tintin a ogina ho se
na ma ba we bo no maso adwa ya be hwe papa ye oba ha ya se ne yire bu ne ho nya sere de na che
oba nso so me nya de me saka ne pe oba no case
pinkran onya do saka ne pe pinkran
me be ma no yesi ba me ne dia me ba na mo twetwe me
oyire bu wa
oba ne bu me abrantem ne ka se waje atum o se ne yire bu no
osun wa se ne yire osun e wa chen ne yire o de yire ku kwa ye bisa se oyire picture no e ma me hwe na ye o de a onya de kire ya se oya sure say oyire bu adia be hwe ya be hwe papa ye o se ne yire bu na che o de ya te
no oya be ma na won so fa sa ati bia ni bi mu a me mo ni just share your experience with us 0302216561 0302216562 Kofi yeah
CJ you're trying say e bi be frey no there's a story
lady no afraid na okay meba Kofi meba hello good morning oba it saying
Nyame
Adom we den ka mema nkoma na ye di no anapai
minimum sa ikina me kama ba me free ya me na go
gina ye mame
me say me free ya last week na me pese free it's me free fear for you I know it's na ke ma and not get me na me free
okay into when
I have also been going through abuse and it's obi tinche obeka say na wo mu na obi na wo ye it's not as easy as we see it is not as easy media the police phone na them and the moment we sit down no na kwa to say nkomodie and nipa ni take it lightly I've been beaten many your bomb many must see a Okoka said, I didn't know. Yeah,
I worry and answer him, Pnache.
The patch of warrior.
I worry.
Our
Kawa. Kawa.
Yeah, warrior.
Washa Kawana.
Mr. Kawa.
My
must say, come bam honum, or you me was security way, like I don't want to come there with a uniform and not the business. The Napo intense.
Oh, you're dying.
Napo, we were Napo.
Okay.
Security section,
Okay.
And I idea across me want me first born and started. My catch and pastor. Obia was all of them will be a family members. And then a young problem. Beginning in no near Juma, so I thought the frustration. Miss Nami knew Juma. By the end of the day, we went near Juma here, and I made to say a million Juma, and it keep going on, and it's even worse than before. I heard the Nama Nekan Name Raho. A man Raho.
Oh, no. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Where am I saying? Bibi Aboko. Umudin, wa.
But I say, you got same problem.
Oh, you're a bull.
Mayor moving. Now, many now will be almost 14 years.
Oh, now for how long?
14 years.
14 years.
Yes, it's a matter.
More matter.
Yes.
Okay.
See, maybe one of the Tabacco knows the Tabacco. You ain't a castle about boom. Massa, the sense, assets or banning in the name. Never pardon the first one. I mean, the family days mentioned. Now you did the man, never pardon, Michelle Gas. Never pardon, Michelle, and the John A. About you, Clinis, more baby, I have store, a store. When you stone, I back was a never just stone. It's 2 years. The 2 years in which on this stone is can be good chest on the stoning Amelia, Stony on Anesia. I'm a stone and a witness on the recently, we Jawari, no one will be Jawari. So on what it being or not quiet. They didn't to a month, 2 months, or by say more than in the young centre. They didn't to Frank Mamma in general, but in Calamity General. You man obey schedule, say no action, remember it's going to be a general this kind of man. Mid times you make this kind of no cowajo. Say, me, show me, me, say, you could have colleges kiss me out, may have what you are. You can cast me now, we no money back was no, the son of some about 1 year. That man, we need Jai. None of the car on the brow for stone, I actually.
Opening, original swammer, may no Becca Saway Chos here. Why? Original swammer, no Becca Saway Chos here. Kofi. Yeah, any day.
Yes, also no story about you, Hanuma, Mammy friend.
Your friend Chato.
And Vice President Dr. Alaji Baumia. I say, young country Ghana phone in answer. Onim Samira Pet, Onim Ramatubia. Onim Samira Pet, Onim Ramatubia. Sa some na coco social media now, or you want chain, or you how first wife been at the idea. Or say Onim Samira Pet, Onim Ramatubia. Na sa obekaya eda Madam Samira Ba ekosis enso Obi bisa na say oni ni kunu atena mfie best seni. 17 years ago. Eno ne ware ye. Nti mkrom ware ye enya neba. Samira eni Baumia e ware ye enya neba. 17 years kra papa no kra o chese o yobo no kra na chese o brani ade ono kra ne egu niam mu ano a chese otumi fa ho e ware no. Nti mo bia ntena ba bi because of politics and some I mean enyefe obi aware mu nsem wankoye we
Ghana for na nsem kekado
ade eno a che se ono ne sum nu kra ma no ho kwan se otumi ware be nan kra bom neso
well Kofi my influence here the bankata na poso CBJ we stand with you. Vodafone, the future is exciting. Ready and Agbeve Herbal Center Wayarisa Efie Omadaruma. And you did a bankata na poso ye de ebre wa mention no ekrado Adom Sports page 1 Eric Esiedu Buedi
Lagos number 1. Gaza Zegayo Ahunipa Kaso Onsi Efisema Hata on Kaza Zegayo
Mama TikTok them like can yebo. I'm on TikTok. America don't mind. Check big boy some in the big down. Chicky, check out the flavor. Me know you cool, me know someone me them. Olivia was me them. Minyo Jono, hey, come as up. Big guitar is the that makes some. Hey, Miniyobia, Mamoshia Manante, with this Madagati straight to Fanti. Me won't be there, me she be there. Ayodo, Adom Mame. Sports page 1 live on Adom 106.3. And my query is ya concona no pay. The sports page 1. Ede Ebrewunye.
Me pacho betway for the love of the game. Give us Herbal Center. Omotaya chipa yarwana beko e give us asiye and a wode Adom na bibia ko ye. Me pacho soccer bet games ne cost 100 because EPL La Liga Spanish La Liga no na upset wom na so di sika to so a ahotoso no ho soccer bet ubedi sika gu botom pa MTN me pacho MTN app number pa uko Play Store and I say App Store or download it easiest way or better credit or better bundle now with the momo no etuaka amponsa efa on the F Pack and I feel so BS tablet Bet Planet betting company no ayami sape Bet Planet na ready kind or more NSO yasene near the ensamana ba nano pay.
All right, here in Samano bro nano pay abusia se Jomano Choi Motala Jakwa Champon Bernard Padibo Trace Forson ni na ken wana pay here in Samano de bro Kejuana Gazanye Eric Asie du Buedi
writer Amenyo Raphael.
Wow, nice one. Abusia, yabasha sentem paso na yedi fi AFCON qualifiers enche baso Ghana. Yeni ejine mu dendin South Africa. Yetrase betma choma Nasa Tome so yeni omawie the 2021 Africa Cup of Nations qualifiers enya semketo akwenche. Ena coach and din ade siki akono eton safrem nante bi so mo hye campaign ase nei 24 months squad omo camp omo twese bibia betma ko yeni etmache South Africa for na yo mo hodjuma na enu ntino ne yehwe ni mo so enche enka Ghana Premier League ni betumi arizumi nanso so sa Friday the 19th of March 2021 wa empani for the betu dwase be league na sene nei abeto dwase Ghana games aye wo bonti ne pato efieda the 2nd of April no and empani for dwase betumi a league na se biem and the channel so sa efama me from the 19th of March 2021 to Friday April 2 2021 and as I say game no ebetumi assign ababium na ne yehwe ni mo sasante kotoko ene aye bechem na so be pem so 24th of March ne ye pia ade akoshe the 7th of April 2021 to we ene se na esem no so yesie the Black Stars of Ghana group C aye wono yehwe ni mo se ebetumi agi aboso a ye ne aye wo mo ne ye preso group ni mo nyina ya so achipa ye se bibia betuma ko ye ya winning 3 games a ye lusu baako in 4 games so far Ghana yehwe ni mo se ebetumi awie South Africa ne awie South Tome na bibia so atuma ko ye enso diama ko sika ko na sebo ese 2021 AFCON ne de ken Ghana betumi akobi egusu di o ho sesi na chede bepiem bia no ye ne wonsam enso ebebrewo
me pacho yenwura mu e Ghana under 20 team me pacho the Black Satellite of Ghana se woni mu se nei Abdul Karim Zito wono ene yetitre ne a wodi team na nimu a se wado mu wura mu Mauritania under 20 AFCON no wotimi ko wini e sande ba o man Ghana mu ha players no o man pani club po ma baso a ne nei Karim Zito e den samu tudwa pa o se bra ye di adwuma ne man no unum so no o ye adwuma e de ma Dreams FC president of the Ghana Football Association ni team pa no o se no ntina manfo keka so master adwuma na ye de ma no de Friends and Chronics master bibi komu e san se wo ye adwuma man ni ntina de ma wo se na manfo bash no na so akoye wonders akwa J trophy no de buy under 20 trophy no wo de abepiem o man Ghana mu ha no de obi ase sa criticisms na course no e na hye ni kutupa hye ni nkuran e na otime de cap no e ba Ghana
So many talks about it just because the president of Ghana Football Association is my boss. He will continue to be my boss. And some thought it was because of that link that he chose me to under 20, forgetting that I was chosen about 10 years ago by George Free, and he even told me that they're supposed to give me under 20, but Malik opted for me to assist him in case they give him. So they gave him under 23, and then I became the assistant. And then again, I was given under 17. Still, the current president wasn't in power. Now, when he came, he thought it wise to give me the under 20 back again. So people thought initially that it was because of the link between me and him. But I thank them very much. They make me work hard to let them know that I was given this job based on my ability and capability.
Jim FM. Me pa Jordan Lumba was me dasi bebre. Karim Zito so da was bebre. And yes, I link na e wo between ono and the president of the Ghana Football Association Keto Kreku etini ade adwuma na emano.
Alright, so go so Adom 106.3 Sports Page 1. Kejuana Gasanie. Eric Asiedu Buadi.
Writer Amenyo Raphael.
Yeah, boy Remo. Yes, Ghanaian Premier League ni mona. Yeah, kwa winem senche. Legon Cities ni Victoria na Adebayo yue. Adebayo Jinedin Power Interlice. Ni ojine mwe jeje obehel sisi ya. Obehel. Ni go so fe. Kwa na mu kakra. Legon Cities. Akofane de fi Damak. Adi na baso be bodwuma emfa mo na nada ene yi ne kire no de nsem kakra atudwa esenani age pass waba na nya gro no oba bedie wono amanfo ka say o say na se kra na girlfriend yese na girlfriend metan ncha on Denmark nti na bo no ntimi mo sanse e man again mai na obeso oje match otimi nye match nti ne bo na something which is the say there o de tudwa se nya no ntia ba waba no e ya gro no obedie o be kire Ghana force still e won na no
na so subuga so basu nanga sa cikin kansu suna doka league ko basu doka league saboda shine ba ko mancan sun da yanzu ni ne na ja banzo kuma abun da sun yi mini ya isha haka nan
yeah Interlice came to me said no simply because their aim is to be in the league. They don't want to win any trophies, and he said taking to playing Legon City can help me with the strength of good players that they have. They can help me get laurels in here. Our league is everywhere now. Even over there, he was watching Ghana League, and it can give you more opportunities to go out again.
Way and someone Victoria Adebayo editu dwa yesan cheche mu a was no worry and say na ye cheche mu sa no na coach ono ne coach Legon Cities Bashir Hayford and he Bashir that's what Asamoah osa go for na Jan no kra no say ye hunu ye o tie sama Bashir editu dwa fa Asamoah
when it comes to Asamoah, for me, if Asamoah is ready today, tomorrow he's going to play. But the readiness will come from him. It's not me. Yes, when I came, he was nursing some knocks. We trained, he got some knocks. Now the physio gave him 2 weeks. He came back, he had another problem, and he went back. But now he has started training with us. If he picks his form, you will see him.
Bashir Hayford and Okasa de Asamoah. Unusa it was not also the Japan in Abo. Morishita no. Morishita yobo kakra.
I've searched about the club, and I've heard it has a huge history, over 80 years, based in Cape Coast with a very nice stadium, a crowd, and I've heard there's a lot of talented players there. Some players are playing for the national team. So I'm very much looking forward to it. And
Jindo, yeah, that's it. Jindo na Oyo Sana. Right after me corner. Yes, sorry.
Very good. But I am PMO our Ghana Olympic Committee. Now when we say nay and a GOC elections now, to Japan, and you be president now, they are saying executives are on mobile projuma pa our GOC for Akate. Now when we say a ora pen no mensa and I feel so Richard Apokavi, one more and a press here but Thomas Waba, Nabako Abaya president and a pen no mensa and a incumbent. I nay or seeking for re-elections. Now was at me about no be dijumadi na mabi bia come now they are coming into the more bow. Also buy and why you be brave. And you are why an into delegate ni say Sufran as a massa be contested now be fana fala.
I don't think say with the kind of Ejuma here and I say with Ebia with the Arishima war in the delegates, no, you know, but in life you just move on. But delegates and I say woman many Jumano and wanting us to continue continue the good work, they let me do. Also, we say initially it was with a lot of persuasion and pushing from the people I'm serving.
Me pacho ora pen no mensa GOC president ene wasen ko na wote ne nka no na Richard Apokavi ene boot for boot pa ena ode ma pen no mensa ena no so di to dwa masa why bi anko ye ba ye the fresh ideas ena e ba pa.
Yeah, is that this manifesto, you agree, but it doesn't include all the federations. Developing a strategic plan, we will take this document, engage all the national federations. This is our plan. What is your say about it? You ever call agree, so that even by the time we start our work officially in the next 3, 4, 5 months, 6 months, not just say has been turned into a strategy. Apart from that, plan is you also do a plan with a budget in mind. This is the resources I need to be able to achieve it. And this is only the beginning of a process.
Pacho ora Richard Apokavi and our tenant.
I was in somebody's first pick too about some more money pound the giant some more cost on there. You're trying to say Bassa Beshes over to me ashes so no money who was can ever remedy the Renier. Atletico send a few of League, you know, Copima England and United to me, Western folk about common to me. I didn't want the Chelsea can draw against Leeds. Hey, England, I do. I had the papa and you may buy the whole seminar Bonnet Toscrossing now. I'm on your happy birthday, that being a belated birthday. Go on, Mama Theresa Adwa Krama, aka Mama Thes. Yes, or your church mother, our Parliament Chapel International. Our this 60 years. No, see, it in 60 days. Tiabe Shen I would say, Mama Theresa Adwa Krama, Mama Thes. Happy belated birthday. And Command Panyamisha, not to know 100 years Naka. Yedebeka, Sergio Manucho, Immortal Jakwa Champon, Bernard Padibuchi, Head of Sports, Professor Inoko Siwala Wallace. Yeshed Madi Kufu. And yet, bro, you could yes, Yakonkon and Nanope.
Me pacho give us Herba Center, give us P Power, Omodi Abamonte, so give us Co capsules and swaba, and I give us Herba Mesha. Me pacho Aba, Numbinafe, a 2 year one asina at the amount. Me pacho Betway for the love of the game. Game on Ubabe dear Chedia, Utrabetinum, Utrabetin, so Ubedi Udia, Usikano Okaji or Betway. Soccer bet and so tired jipa betting companies no ados soccer bet pet and I would do Usikana fastest payout on Sa ebetimi akame pacho MTN or download the app no na afenso odi atop credit na afenso de aka wachire ni na wodi aye amponsa ifa at the F pack and afenso BS tablet API bet planet masa oh this can now kwa manager ni ho bia sem ni ho de already bia ye tua e de amount bet planet akachi.
All right, abusia you be sorry so you don't pass out here now the nankasa aka kejwa ne ho Eric asie du buadi
writer amenyo Raphael ewiase na presenter.
Hey, Papa, no. Where's your friend Atu?
I was at the bar with Atu the other day. He had bet on the game and tensions were high. Then Atu said, Charlie, we go lose. But I told him, Charlie, Vim day. Go! I had won 15,000 Ghana cedis. Then Atu said, we bet for the same amount. How come I only got 9,000 Ghana cedis? Then I asked him, he didn't bet with Bet Planet.
Wait, he didn't bet with Bet Planet?
He didn't bet with Bet Planet, oh. So I went to take all my money. Then Atu asked me, all your money. My betting people said I should wait a few days, oh. For the best odds, biggest wins, and fastest payouts, visit www.betplanet.com.gh.
So Atu, where you there now? Still there, the line inside, oh.
This advert has been vetted and approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet responsibly, not for persons below the age of 18.
Rise up and be a star. Strengthen with BX stars.
BX a free and ponsa a pharmaceuticals ya grofo fra. Ebwa muname twintwetwe ne pai wa aduane ayediem. Ne senti BX bua ma yenya aduane ayediem mu mfaso.
Release your energy. BX mamuche nam ye ridie mu no eye mu no na ma hoden bem. BX medrian di din ho akono sorry. Zinc e wo BX mu no ebua ma mofra nyini yie. So we yare na wa hoden sutia. For BX nemma wa hoden samrantem.
The blood in your veins regain lost appetite, strength in your memory.
For BX nemma woma wakokura enu abewan so bi. BX tablets in your pharmacy shops and the chemical seller shops e wo memu babia. BX ehiamobia.
Give
us P capsules. A memedry, manum bia ye benmua, can me tutu ya na minkuma boa sese de. Betro esa kum menia G. Give us P capsules.
Give it to me, baby.
Give us core capsules so e.
E man meme nyina akoko yade. Sisi yade amama nya yam timotete wo mo no. Yedro no manum bi amama de me ho.
Give us core capsules. Mrs. Moye ding. Give us core capsules.
I give it to you, baby. You give it to me.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Give us in row. Amen ni jia bebusuamu papa. Na bema ka give us P capsules. Eni give us core capsules bomu nom dia. Na eni je ni ahoden no.
Wa brudo.
Give us P capsules.
Ememe wadi ifiedu watwede kronkwan na efa.
Give us core capsules.
Apemfo abatan wo mo manufo ne nkwada wo ne ifiedu mienu nka ho. E wo drosto bia motufo nko Give us Herbal Center, Teshi Mobile, and Teshi Adriami. Phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 68
FD Ashusha sa ejedi enkrato imu aja tumuse eye.
Charlie, this game is my game. Oh. Watch me. I will win today. Today is my turn. Go!
Even when I won the last time, the people didn't want to give me all my money at once. What is that?
Oh no, my guy. With Soccer Bet, you never have to wait. They pay you the same day, no matter the amount. That is why I always bet with them. No installment, no hassle, no delay. With Soccer Bet, bet on the best odds. Win up to 1 million Ghana cedis and get your money instantly. No delay, no hassle, no installments. Take your
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi a yayi bia program dada yayi gu na obetimi kwa kuti ni na news bibia ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni bo se multimedia stations ni na ho Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM the opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba. Na fe wa downloadi. Unya downloadi app na. Behu bibi a yayi bia program dada yayi gu na obetimi kwa kuti ni na news bibia ya trot na obetimi eti ni na bibia. But oko homepage wa top right corner ho obehu listen live radio na wa click so ebe bia ba se de ohunu ni bo se multimedia stations ni na ho Adom FM, Asempa FM, Hit FM, Joy FM, Love FM, Insure FM the opposite no wa click so iti fancy opposite Adom FM o click so pe the obeti ani
Jim FM 106.3. Top.
Sisi ekwan fofo betimi afa so eti Adom FM ewo internet so no eni. Sisi a App Store ena makoyi. Etu bebo Adom online ewo. Unya bo Adom online ne pa app no ebeyi aba. Na fi
yɛbobɔ so na afei yɛsi ho gyinaeɛ yɛkɔ leave deɛ ɛnso nya deɛ ɛkɔte ada in fact adwuma no kora kɛse paa wɔ hɔ a afei na mebɛnya mmerɛ so ho afei na mebɛnya berɛ na makɔ kwasɛ bi wɔ hɔ no abɛtu kaa bɛduru hɔ ɔbɛsa so aba adekye a ɔbɛba bɛyɛ adwuma na akwan bibia wɔ hɔ but now I can travel and spend a day, 2 days, 3 days on an issue. Menya ho facts ni nyina, videos ni audios ni nyina, ya ni nyina. Na yɛ de aba. Enti sɛ wotie mi a ɛyɛ nkra. Ahomgyem. Kɔgye ahome. Live deɛ ho hia, woyɛ adwuma duru baabi a sɛ kɔgye ahome. So kɔgye ahome. 4th November 2019 ana nyame adom yɛbɛka the multimedia group ɛho enti akwantuo deɛ up and down nkanka na abayi yɛbɛto abayi yɛkɔ wobɛduru yɛ ade kye ana wo sa kɔ baabi foforɔ radio and TV yɛtwe ha ne yɛtwe ha yɛne namu a sɛ kɔgye ahome kakra enti yɛbɛkɔ aseda deɛ yɛde ma adwuma mu ha mpanimfoɔ nyinaa but yɛde issues bi asi yɛnim yɛni so yɛto ho anammɔn nea yɛnya ho results ne nyinaa mɔnimu a ade hyɛ wɔte nkɔn apɛw ɛkɔm a wɔn bɔ ho wɔn a wɔn de haw ne adeɛ ahodoɔ aba abusua na awurɛnte dan asiesie mu kama ɛde ama wɔn mo wɔn nyinaa yɛ kwan a radio kasafidie no ɛfa so enya result enti sɛ mede me nsa ka wo issue for instance denkyera esase ɛna afei agorɔ nyamendam ɛna mubarakia islamic school a ɛwɔ rara munya abotrama me nyame yɛ adom ne atinkom na ɔma yɛ ahoɔden a yɛwɔ mmerɛ bebree within this period yɛbɛto anamɔn na issues no yɛde akyire ahwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi de ho mmuayɛ ɛde abrɛw ɛno nti ne yɛwɔ ha wodi amanyɔfoɔ no akyi deɛ a da biara ba bɛgyina ha na wayɛ GDP no ayɛ yɛ ne ɛkɛ ka ho a ɛnso na nsunsuasoɔ paa deɛ ɔmanfoɔ no wɔn mu nya bi enti yɛnhyɛ ne nso saa na wotwe atwa mu ukuada no ɛna kanea nansan ɛnyina so ɛdundundundum basabasa ɛnura ɔkwasie wɔn ka wɔn ho bio ɛnura wɔn dum kanea no bɛyɛ dɔnhwere mmienu ne akyire yɛnka hwee na yɛkyerɛ ɔborɔfo traa na yɛde abɛtɔ abɔnten that's not enough it is not enough sɛ yɛgye kanea de ayɛ adwuma na afei yɛdundundun kanea yɛtua ka o ɛne sɛ yɛfiri yɛtua ka kanea bububu no menka sɛ kura obi te som obi akɔtena no workshop a wɔtie me ne phone so yɛdum kanea no yɛdum kanea no osi dan yɛ adwuma na otua ne tax ɛsla ɛna yɛato mu no na no budget yi yɛkenkan ɛsla energy sector levy na oya na ECG for the release about na green co for the am about the latest one and the crown hey any recent power outages matters are rising paninka kakra abusia recent power outages across the country have created considerable alarm amongst the general public, especially the incident of Saturday, March 7th, 2021. And what is the which led to a total power system shutdown. A similar incident occurred in May 2017. The general sentiment undoubtedly is the fear of a return to perennial power outages, popularly known as Dumso, which defined a period in the country in times past. Let me say this. Dumso is not coming back. Greek of Asama one more kenny. So Dumso is not coming back. So what are the issues on the ground? What happened on Sunday, March 7, 2021, and as highlighted in subsequent statements and interviews to the media, was a transient fault at 13:46 hours on a major transmission line between Prisia and Obuasi. Blah, 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 chimwa. But is this enough? Honorable Matthew Poku Prempe, last week, and was shared, you must say, but sheer Ministry of Energy in Penifoniana, stakeholders in Nina, but sheer independent power producers, no. As a woman say, issues be a wohono. Woman shall not settle. Woman shall not settle. Now, Matwaso, but Mamiko Humano Sonafe, many Ora Charles Jenfi Ofori, or a policy analyst, Africa Center for Energy Policy, ASAP, Meneno and Cheche and Como. Oh, for Richard Car, no Makwaba.
Yeah.
But a pombo kwa die.
No, you're not there.
Yami Adom. Yeguso. Dum so asamba na.
Well, that's it. It depends on how you see it and where you stand. People define Dumso in different ways, but the one is if your lights are off, sometimes when you can, I mean, your lights go off and on and that means that it's technically Dumso. Ultimately, I'll compare the situation maybe now in 2014 and DC and now you demo 24 hours and now 12 hours and non such situation in Yambai. But as far as the consumer is concerned, as far as the customer is concerned, at a point in time or expect light now on your light, now other someone there. Whether irrespective of what the definition of Dumson will be, to him or her, Dumson or
From point of view, what is causing this? How did we get here? A issue with a Sikasem and also a generational issue.
I think one Ibano generation, I mean, the BIA Ghana, you have excess capacity, you have enough generation capacity, but we share your power value chain, your generation and your transmission, and I think your distribution. Into of course, IPPs no be generating power no. Great co best step on the down kakra Ediama distribution companies. Now you see Net so after great co honum no more they are bringing customers no. Into we chain the each if any of the aspects of the chain that means that the overall system no so and this is the situation that is happening with our transmission network. OSHA reports are ABBA, Energy Commission reports, energy statistics. Because has been recording quite some losses in terms of system losses. We need serious, adequate investments within our transmission system. And yes, these issues will continue to come. Great statements here, but tripping here, and they have been quite consistent. From last week, we've not really seen any improvement in the daylight now. Okay, it really has to do with let's take the distribution, the transmission aspect of the power sector value chain. Near improvements then a bit me almost systems because and transmission is like a middleman. The whole your national interconnected transmission systems the problems, but I mean, it's going to be a problem for the entire country because most of us depend largely on the grid. So investments are very necessary. If Gridco wants to be sustainable, then I would say it may reform. Now you're pushing more money into other things that they do.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Referee, there are clearly, there are challenges, issues. Yeah. How do we resolve these issues? Because any inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Now I can't try. Sabi. Men are now tear crassy. Sacratano on one year in Ponoakin. And who send me air coswoni. How do we resolve these issues?
I think that for both our transmission and our distribution networks now, they need to really be able to come clear to tell us the investment challenges that they are facing, because we're in a system, a machines and a Juma. If they are old and then we don't have investments to present new ones, we still continue to have challenges with them. Okay. Because we need a sustainable investment in these sectors. I mean, maybe but what are the key issues? What are the key investment requirements for the transmission and then the distribution sector? Largely, they are focused on adding megawatts and all that to our power system. Today, we are quick to say, your excess capacity, fine. But share transmission, share distribution, and your generation capacity, but and that's the situation we are facing now.
Okay, but Mamin Bisani say the increment in energy sector levy, anything a solve a problem in.
Well, I mean, it depends on the efficiency of spending.
But I'm honest, government. Yeah.
Now, because it depends on the efficiency of spending on the side of government. Okay, every money or income that is available to the sector, it is okay. So it may affect your challenges, no. But say the basic requirements are very efficient in our spending to drive the needed investment into say the process na increment in our taxes. If we are really able to retool our transmission and our distribution networks now, then it's going to help us to improve. Otherwise, I mean, but you are efficient in our spending now, and you will still be in the same problems you've been.
I believe, sir, we've not gotten to the point, referee. People will start agitating and holding demonstrations here and there and writing petitions.
Oh, well, I mean, it depends. I mean, it's make us say
no, because the situation is affecting me. No, I'm not saying if you're sorry by the soon, buy a doom doom can almost 3 hours. It is supposed to say, then the people will tend to agitate because explanations now, Ebano. Sabi.
Yeah, I mean, if you go to social media, you see a lot of people complaining, and the lights go on and off. People say they can't power their main power more fridge, a bit in power more microwave, and and it seems to get worse by the day. And, whether agitations or not, customers are not happy, and we need to be able to retool these two sectors and ensure constant supply of power.
Privatization of ECG, we've been there before, but genuinely, is that the solution? ana so ya ECG adwuma no we've had this conversation before. Adwuma no betimi aye aban na de ye ka aban so matwa be 2.2 billion e de ama ECG so omfama other IPPs no nothing, but privatization, is that the way to go? Referee,
I think after the failed PDS attempt, government promised they would continue with the PSP arrangements, and getting a better agency to handle the distribution sector. If you really check some of the finances and some of the incomes that PDS raised, and compare it to the ECG time now, I think PDS was quite, there was some level of improvement. But of course, there were fundamental challenges with the contracting agreement, and that led to termination. But government has not been able to come clear currently, even if it wasn't in both manifestos of NDC and NPP, as to whether they want to do a PSP arrangement. And in the budget, there wasn't any clear direction concerning PSP arrangement. Yeah. The way investments are required, I think private capital is important, especially when it comes to the management of the sector. Everything has to do with proper management, devoid of political interferences. Their but ECG say on betimi aye ejumana, then we want to see that improvement in the collection of bills, and also in the reduction of almost system, and then the collection losses now more experiencing.
Do we need more IPPs, independent power producers? Do we need more independent power producers?
I think generation is not much of a problem, and the government continues to say that we have enough generation capacity to meet our demand. As I explained, we have other phases of the power sector value chain, the transmission and then the distribution. But if we focus on generation, that's the transmission and distribution framework, you will not solve the power challenges. So currently, we need to focus on retooling our transmission network, which is great. We need to focus on also helping to improve our distribution. And yes, I see 60,000 megawatts as any and transmission capacity. We will still come back to square one.
All right, friend, na yɛmfansi a Charles Jemfi Ophoria, policy analyst, Africa Center for Energy Policy, ɛna mene no atwetwe nkɔmmɔ no enti sei na asɛm ne te sɛ aban betimi ama nkɔmmɔ no ni ada hɔ baabi a yɛni kyerɛ ni. Now we have increment in energy sector levy. It has to reflect in the customer service that we enjoy. So can you to be enjoy can you then there's no need for increment. There's no need. So you can you need to be in so my enfanya juma as say ade enye sika enfen chesa levy ni do, then there's no need for increment. Enti enshane so they say anipa ho kire no enti taxes ni levies bebrebe nyina na se abanyene ho wonyene ho se say ye hold public forum. Now, in Chemuni by IPPC, ministry, other stakeholders come. Now, Simkonya. Now, we can have this conversation. I just sound come away. Nasa ade no hyehyɛ suma hyehyɛ nkɔfo ho hyehyɛ ho na ɛkɔso afei ebedu baabi a bɛgye nsɛm no I pray we don't get there but ebedu baabi a bɛgye nsɛm no na afei ne agyina tititi etiri ho afei ne agyina tititi etiri ho let's hold the bull by the horn. Na kania na no ane de adwuma abusafo a wamo Nigeria de wamo envy Ghana for I know but the young so yo how ya jiji to hodo bebre na personally me I have issue with sanitation and pollution levy no. Sanitation and pollution levy in Ghana, in Accra. Sanitation and pollution levy. How? Mala Emini. What happened to the promise of making Accra the cleanest city? What happened? Abani saying? Yahu chire and to 20 be on my see bisam. And when I stand here, I speak for millions of Ghanaians. Shaba san cry by a cleaner city. Bola miniang. Yeah? Bola miniang. Now, Yasakofa sanitation and pollution levy. Bola tax. Adiaba 0302216561 0302216562 0302216561 216562 70 bi honoma edika na me am quote the 1992 Constitution, Article 1. The sovereignty of Ghanaians resides in we the people. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Mama, I'm saying.
Nyamia Dumo.
Udin.
Nana Kwame
Nana Kwame Yentio.
DJ. Anopay, Amisha no escape. And your man, Ghana Hana, a house to pay. DJ, put him on the crew. And I'm a cost of people for the Ghana, just radio. Friday, yeah, Zoom, for the Ghana. Just radio. I may pocket for the Ghana people on the sea. Friday, yeah, people didn't answer. Wow, see, you can't, Ghana, you can't get the Ghana for Ghana being here, or to send this young people, these are two parties, here, pay the third party, some of Ghana, because some two parties in India, me, the Ghana, the Yomo, who say, almost the Ghana business, almost you also almost what you before. If the answer amount for the year dream about two parties, and this is two, yeah, the parties about. I mean, check it out.
May I say, hello, good morning.
Morning, CJ.
Yes, Madam Budin.
Performame Dominion.
Performame into
CJ and a payday one is your mobile juma. I mean, chair as a Kojo Poko, Pierre National Lottery. They make an essay. The physical treaty. Woyumi a good bottom. Our number life. Just to think a bit enough of problems be brave or Ghana. You sure like the ones and some years. That's case, CJ, Minumi and Baya Junior. I take it me up. Am I lighted to me? So I'm a jumate to pong into your best friend. Let's sanka a better budget in the say a conquer Jessica. Let her bomb my own bra. And so Manchester into another Mr. Breview never Jessica mine a bit in the you or my Ghana.
Medasis of Mammy. Hello, good morning.
Morning, Peter.
Yes, I'm reading.
I wouldn't have quite
Quagata. Diablo Quadi.
Boko, not your friend say.
I may be a chance for you.
Who's your chance?
Oh, Papa, chance.
Nana Jenny contain.
I can't see
What about you?
Not me from in fact. Material do that. Obi ni wa. O fi ase bi okoje na hu mi otumi kura kra etie for so. Send ne wa kra yen ama ye hu so. O tena bi se yen te won kan ete se o wa hu mi jibu no. Eye ni bi kwa so. Ye hu enhira.
Me da se.
Pedana yen hia na ma cha se nkomo.
Mate. Me de me number ni betudwa. Me de me number betudwa. To be friend me abribia. Hello, good morning. Hello,
TJ.
Yes, sir. Udin.
Wafajo, Sakrade.
Wafajo, you we am last caller.
Yeah, TJ. I'm saying Ghana was here this time. You are serious. Owning leadership across board. Obia, who was one hour. In Tiago, near from to be there. Whatever your ADC. What kind of behavior is it? What kind of country are we living in? Please, I'm sorry for Ghana. Serious, I'm sorry for Ghana. Because who in the other house office, one has all president, now vice minister, we MP, we chief executive, ABCD. Now, so be fair. I mean, why? This small country, the future. Now, China is one of the so that's it.
Edibisia. My number no is 0206 943337. 0206 943337. 0206 943337. Facebook, Jerry Forson. Instagram, at I am CJ Forson. I am CJ Forson. Same on Twitter. What's up to me, Cabio? What's up to me, Cabio? Ambassador Franco Trading Enterprise. Dr. Frank. From Papa Pafie. Doc, me da se papa. Hey, ma wo de aboa dwumadi. Nami show. Mati, mami fancy na me buy fan pensem ni fan now. Puma drinks anarama. Getting pensem no to also. Me need the Chief Jerry Forson. I'm to your friend CJ Forson. And now CJ. I'm trying to run me back pensem here to also.
Ima no cleaning service ni.
Ima, mini me kunu ya ko Dubai yo.
Hey yo, come on buy and fly akwentu na. Nipa me no betum dia ko Dubai no ana.
Ani, into your bags no. Cleaning a gold standard. Why? Fasika kuko kakra pizza sauce. It's a sex for no who you see wo chromo.
Any ya homeboy, Camel antiseptic buy and fly to Dubai promo. It doesn't be answer no. Unity. So Camel antiseptic se na so no bia. Scratch the panel no so. Na text code a obehu no. Ekwo 1393. E network bia so. Na win akwentu e many pa me nu ko Dubai na otwi bia. And I'm going to so menya airtime, campus, and I'm Camel buy and fly 3. COVID-19 home running now, so you better so. You might be in Sisaka Crow. Camel cleans, cares, and protects for healthy skin. FDA actually said, getting country manager to say, yeah.
Good morning. It's breakfast time. Start your day with Indomie.
Machio, and a budget general aso for Indomie, so no pass.
Can't do it like you.
Indomie. Indomie instant noodles. Tastes great.
This advert is FDA approved.
That first whistle is more than just the start of a football match. It's the start of friendships. It's you screaming your lungs out. It's the joy of your team's equalizer. The exhilaration of scoring the winning goal. It's a sigh of relief after hearing the final whistle. It's celebrating your team being crowned champions. That first whistle is just the start of something priceless, where you don't just watch it, you live it. MasterCard, official sponsor of UEFA Champions League.
It's time to believe in you. We We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high. Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you.
Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
It's time to believe in you. We are changing, so should you. If you're dreaming, don't be afraid. And in the valleys, keep your head up high.
Dare to dream with Puma drinks. Puma, yeah. Believe it, you can achieve. Puma, oh yeah. Clap your hands for the whole new vibe. Make we set the place on fire. Oh yeah, come alive. Let me hear you. Puma drinks, a whole new vibe. Another quality product from Casa Precon.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Color party, color party. Get away. Adom FM, Adom TV, Asem Perfect, and Adom Online, Sandia Benja. 2021 Adom Color Party. Nafi, COVID-19, yeah, virtual. Aye, Nanso, Stereo, and Nigeria Champion. 2021 Adom Color Party. And Paso 27th March. Color see what you're wearing your favorite presenter color. One so feel you green and now white, orange and now black, red and now blue. And for to me, my be Jenya Cassia Betcha, Tanya Betcha, Campes, home appliances, coupons, and a Piaga. I need you know, Shassia Debia. And I want to be away and shows a hot water so cop him 27th March. And the catch of Yasa, I feel Adom Color Party never pass 27th March 2021. Adom 106.3 FM, Asempa 94.7, Adom TV, and AdomOnline.com. The Adom Color Party to my day, bro. Adom Color Party! Show me your colors!
Onia, Shafi Fufro Yasin yo na Frokosro DSTV so. DSTV at the entertainment bebria wuri webushia peno ebrel. Enti ya krado na DSTV de ube Frokosro ankasa. Ye the football akukudam, local drama kona kono, and nkora shows probably na ebremo. Enti onia, a free 14th January, kopim 31st March 2021. Nya obeya ni so be upgrade with DSTV package no akoni ye wonenim. Na DSTV bema o package ya ebra no so awuntia bibia. Eye koko kra. Enti yemfa say wo access ya to your family package pay na DSTV bema compact free. Follow ye hashtag no DSTV step up for more. And after ye was 0302 740 540. DSTV, it's your moment. Na lamte busianye last week oh. Now so this week omo busianye. Ejena Sisa. As Lamte here say Go TV Max drop in price from 70 Ghana cedis to 60 Ghana cedis month. Biape, they didn't delay cra. Omoko upgrading one time. CCAD, ye the sports, entertainment, kids shows, and the Niyama Bebre, Abre Lamte Busiamo Munia Diabroso. Be like the Lamte family. Upgrade the Go TV Max Sisia. Here 60 Ghana cedis. Now enjoy maximum entertainment for less. Cafe Dokra. You see Go TV app no for connect to Go TV Max so and I could pay by the point agent to be in your area for maximum entertainment. Offer valid from 14th January to 31st March 2021. T&Cs apply. Go TV. Love it.
Swap in a filio, swap in a Philly. Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Philly on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you will enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Philly experience. Swap
Swapping a filio, swapping a Philly.
Bring your regular free-to-air decoder to any Electroland outlet and get the brand new HD Plus decoder for 100 Ghana cedis only. Enjoy your favorite local TV channels in razor-sharp, high-definition quality, 5 times clearer than SD. Feely on your HD Plus decoder. Even more interesting, you will enjoy the first 2 months for free. You don't need a new dish if you are already receiving the multi-TV signal. Visit hdplus.com.gh for more info. HD Plus, the Feely experience.
TV see Phantom and Senya enim say nipa bani fo bi nam control say airton decoder sa every multi TV for aseye multi TV decoder ya tia to mu prekope aye quality advanced S2 decoder as syndicated capture ejaba bontin ni boane aye 150 Ghana cedi per aye full set satellite dish LMB any decoder nankasa quality advanced S2 decoder eno nko na wotwa ye ma warranty e de peso putimi upgrade no emma obi fa so kwa na no chenchena enya dia multi TV ebeji susan so every decoder wakoto a yanyin to mu no ho keyless any installers am ton decoders a enya papa yanyin to mu every multi TV for ahye no si ensa kama ye bachemo na emra ne mwadi to papa no aye fe no quality advanced S2 decoder ne bo no so 150 Ghana cedi per a free syndicated capture for ahye Pion, ya junior mwachile.
Pia watera.
Yes.
Na si a mehwehwe mpo woni bi.
Me woni nyina.
Mehwehwe say cool.
Na die ni say cool.
Say cool natural mineral water yensu project a Council for Scientific and Industrial Research. Aye CSIR Water Research Institute. Aye enya na kra. Sa wono mo womiri mu jo form na enye kama.
Na ehe na menye bi.
Ko say cool natural mineral water for aseye wonankese ningo kofodie su kwantempo no so. Say a yes sachet bottle and no was size nyina bi enti from 02690314110 ana baby a woton su bia wo benya bi say cool natural mineral water
absolutely refreshing
FD ahwehwe say adwade nkra to yi mu agye ato mu say eye
Ago Omaya this year, as you are sharp Mudinso, a Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service, no abroad for the vaccine ebe quetia coronavirus eba a free match bosumi wa afi 2021 year. Ye the vaccine ibema ubia wedi free mfie dun watwe aircrawl na ya chichem vaccine no how bie ni ho eye dwuma na eye free. Coronavirus vaccine yema ubanbwa edimu wa yade no ho. Vaccination dwumadie ibekoso o match bosumi mu e wa yaresabia hodro ne miamia ye yesi ho a eben wo. Ne obewo vaccine no be kire wa brekro a obesan be wo ne etosumienu no. Sa wo edro yi wie na wapomu ntine wo a mesrew kwa yaresabia eben wo. Kai se coronavirus vaccine no abeka banbon hyehye no ho. Inti koso a hye wo face mask. Fa semina hohoro wonsa wonsu a esone ase. Sanitizer wonsa bribia. Na montete montem. Hwe hunu se Ghana hian. Momiensi yawe no kwan na ntiatese. Wo vaccine no nembo ho ban free coronavirus ho. Enkai free Ministry of Health, Ghana Health Service enu aboafo nchei. Enkratwe FDA ajatum.
Adom FM 106.3.
106.3
Coming to one and complain. I'm on the way. Smell my one okay. See you soon. Coming to one and go. And feel my way. Smell my one okay. See you soon. When we cry, we do. I'm a fan of the cup. See you soon. We are so cry, we tremble. Spread you on the feet. See you soon. Get down, get down, get down, get down, baby. See you soon. Get down, get down, get down, get down, sweetie. See you soon. I want to dress to my head. Man, I want to make sure my name is Daniel. I want to be. Man, I
18 minutes after 9. Coffee B. See you so. Abeja 14 say. Puma drinks at Aroma. You didn't pense mono air 12 so channel so you can Puma drinks there. And I see I was walk. Mebo but the Echo Bank say Brian you woman in your brand. Ye swasika ye bottom. The chini krum say a penny mato. Scanwa unsa someone will kind their show from some Baba. Our phones. Oh, I send me seven up and German friend 0302213999 and 24723 0800 0032225. Echo Bank so general hon to bo when we bush for no adwuma phone na hon by hashtag stay safe for business. Echo Bank the Pan African Bank. COVID ho asema na meka. Asembisa e kire wadwen. Ana so nimdi apese wunya bi kura na ho na emfa wo o pe doctor bi no afre no no adi nkomo ka doctor ne ye mieni no so ama wafutu Vodafone Adaroma Vodafone's Healthline Medical Center enti shanen so na fre 255 Finafie na Vodafone so fre 255 a doctor for ne apomdi adwuma for aye krado train will call na mama futuo advice bia wo hia efa covid na yare foforo bia if you are na pa na check up menu anwumre na wotwe and stay safe and dial 255 on your Vodafone for instant assistance on all your COVID-19 concerns. Vodafone. The future is exciting. Ready? Puma drinks and say whoop cola, orange, cranberry, tamarind, apple, banana, tropical, apple, pineapple, malt, and energy, a busso.